What's up, everyone? Audi here. Another quick update. Just got a bass airflow sensor for the all-road for the 2.7. We're going to be throwing that in here pretty soon. Show you guys how to change some spark plugs on it too. It's probably time for the timing belt to be changed on the B5 anyways also, so we're going to be getting it. If you guys have anything that you're like worried about, I probably don't have the answer. Might not know. I'm just a dude with a freaking $200 2.7 and a B5 that I paid way too much for. One day, they'll be sick though. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe, donate me a ton of money. Help me build these sick ass cars. Whoever helps me build it, I'll let drive it.